How to get started with affiliate marketing? One of the major questions I get is how do I get started? Most people will ask me, I really want to do affiliate marketing, but I don't really know what to do. I don't know how to get started. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the steps, what you need to do to get started. Of course, what I'm sharing with you is necessary because you need knowledge to get started with affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video whenever we release it. All right, number one thing you need to do, if you ever think and you are interested and you feel, of course, everybody should be interested in affiliate marketing. Why? Is the easiest and fastest and simplest way to earn money online, especially now, right? Number one is that you need to choose an area, right? You need to choose an area. That means you need to focus. And choosing an area is not just choosing an area because they say it's lucrative or because everybody is going to that area. You're going to choose an area based on passion, based on interest, right? That means you are interested in this area because you have an inner drive for that area, right? Because if you don't, when you don't get result as fast as you desire, you may quit if it's not an area of passion. So number one is choose an area that you have passion. Number two is you are going to get knowledge. So it's possible you don't have knowledge around the area you're choosing, or you have some knowledge, you're going to get knowledge. So if you don't have knowledge at all, you get knowledge. If you have some, you get more knowledge. All right. Number three is you're going to choose what you want to offer. Remember, affiliate marketing has to do with audience. If there's no audience, no money will be made. So what are you going to offer to your audience? What kind of value are you going to offer to them? Right? What kind of value? You want to teach them something like I'm doing now, I'm offering you value? Or do you want to write something for them to read? Or what kind of value do you want to offer to them? So you need to decide. The next one is that you need to decide which platform you're going to use to offer them the value. There are several platforms ranging from the web to social media platforms. For instance, you can use a blog, articles to offer them value. You can use video like I'm doing now, YouTube to offer them value. You can use Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or TikTok. All these are platforms that you can use to offer them value. So you need to decide on which one. The next one is that once you decide on the platform, you now need to build the platform. How do you build the platform? You set up the platform. So if it's a blog, you build the blog, social media handles, you set up the handles and optimize them. Once you are done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to start locate an affiliate marketing program through a network or through an affiliate marketing website, right? So you go to affiliate network like Impact Radius, Commission Junction, Share Sale, and the rest. You register and pick a product because the product has to be in line with the area of niche, that's your area of passion that you chose at the beginning. So once you are able to do that, you register, and of course, they will give you a link, which is your gateway to earning money. The link will track all your activities so that when somebody buys with your link, you will be tracked and you'll be paid. Okay? So once you do that, the next thing is to start creating content. Like I'm doing, I'm creating content. So when you create content like video like this, you're going to embed your link in the description of your video. If it's YouTube, if it's Facebook or Instagram, there's Instagram, your bio, that's where you're going to put the link. If it's Facebook, you're going to share it with your post. Okay? So you're going to embed your link in your content. Okay? The next thing you're going to do is to promote this content you have created. How are you going to promote it? Share the content. Share the content on social media. Share the content on community platforms like Quora, like Reddit. Share the content on WhatsApp. Share it everywhere. All right. Let people see the content, and from there be able to use your link to buy something. So when you promote your link, the next thing you're going to do is to review and see the results you are getting. If the results make sense, you repeat what you are doing. The result doesn't make sense, check what is not working, tweak it again, go ahead, create more content, right? More content. At some time, go and look for another affiliate product and sign up. The more affiliate products you have, the better. Of course, it's not just about signing up to affiliate products, it's about promoting them. And it's about serving your audience who will eventually make you, make the money. All right, so this is the process you're going to take to start affiliate market. Of course, we have a course on affiliate market, and the link is in the description of this video. In that course, we have taken everything step by step. We broke it down. Every of these steps that I've shared with you, we broke it down step by step, practical. And we even provide support for you, meaning that if you have any challenge while taking the course, you can reach out to us. We have live sessions. We have a channel where you can share whatever challenge you're having, and we're going to, help you out. So take this course so that you understand what to do, and wherever you have challenges, you'll be able to know what to do. So I will see you again in another exciting video.